This is part 1 of a 2-part meditation practice. Think of part 1 as your instruction manual, using law of attraction. Because manifesting always works, if you are ready to. Welcome to Coached by Nikki Dyer. So we begin here by closing down your eyes as you center your mind and your heart by taking a deep breath in and exhale as you sink down a little deeper still. Begin to feel how the air surrounding you is unlimited. There is no lack, no visible sign of its presence. Yet here it is. Manifestation is like the air you breathe. Unlimited. Just before your mind wanders off, take a moment here to take a deep breath in and exhale. As your breath finds a natural rhythm of its own. We recenter your mind here as you begin to visualize yourself holding a simple magnet in your hand. A magnet attracts things with invisible force. Any piece of metal, regardless of its size, will stick to a magnet. The force is real. It's unlimited. Your thoughts work in the same way. The more you think about something, the more you draw it to you. The law of attraction is a simple concept that like attracts like. The more you think about something, the more aware you become of how to make it happen. Take a deep breath in. As you see your mind for what it is, a strong magnet. We recenter your thoughts here as you take the next 90 seconds to welcome and create vivid mental images or scenes in your mind's eye, seeing exactly what it is you want in as much detail as possible. Begin to imagine how it would feel if, when you reopened your eyes, everything that you just saw was in front of you, just the way you imagined it. Let these emotions flow through you. Feel the energy within you as you see it. Take a deep, slow breath in here. And exhale slowly. You have seen the vision, experienced it. We spend our time waiting for the ideal path to appear. Yet it never does, because we forget that paths are made by walking, not waiting. We recenter the mind again as we go back into its invisible magnetic force. Bring forward your goal and begin to see it in detail and with clarity. And as you do, consider, what do you need to do to achieve this? What do you need to learn? What could you start to do differently? To have what you want, you must do. Old keys cannot unlock new doors. So if you want something new, you have to do something new. We take a final deep breath in here. And exhale as the vision imprints in your mind. I encourage you to fall in love with your goals, to become obsessed with them, to put them out into the world for everyone to see, and to be absolutely relentless until you make them happen. I manifested this. I welcome your mind back into your body, becoming more aware of where you were before we began. And when you feel ready, open your eyes. As I mentioned, this is part 1 of a 2-part practice. Part 2 is a more direct daily visualization practice that you can use over and over. It helps you gain clarity and inner guidance with every single listen. Join me for part 2 tomorrow. If you enjoyed this meditation, please subscribe and share it with someone you love. I release a new meditation every Wednesday.